Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing devices and account access. This speeds the rest of the process. First, check your device model and update to the latest OS so features are supported. Once done, enable two-factor authentication and sign into iCloud. These secure requirements permit Apple Intelligence to run. Make sure your Apple ID region is the United Kingdom because availability is region-gated. After that, proceed to the settings path to opt in and grant required permissions. Now you enable and configure the feature set itself. Navigate to Siri and search and toggle Apple Intelligence options, then grant access to mail, messages, and photos so the system can provide contextual responses. Once permissions are accepted, decide whether you prefer on-device processing versus enhanced cloud capabilities. On-device preserves privacy, cloud expands performance. Also review and accept any data processing prompts so the model can learn from your content. After confirming, let the system index your data for a few minutes. Finish by validating the feature works in daily use. Ask Siri context questions and check Spotlight suggestions. If Apple Intelligence doesn't appear, sign out and back into iCloud, reapply United Kingdom as your region, and reinstall the latest OS update to refresh eligibility checks. Once done, restart the device so services relaunch cleanly. If problems persist, reset network settings and confirm your IP/Apple region match. This often resolves regional rollout and activation conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.